Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? I'm so happy to see you. Boys and girls, today we are going to be little writers with big opinions. But first, let me ask you something. Do you like homework? Do you like school? Give me your opinions. Come on. All right. Today, in this video, we will learn how to write our opinion in a very easy and fun way. Are you ready? Let's go. First of all, what is an opinion? Simply, an opinion is what you think. An opinion essay is when you say what you think, and then you explain why you think that way. An opinion essay is your chance to say, here's what I think, and here's why I'm right. So, your opinion is equal to your idea, and the reasons look like a proof that your idea is smart. Listen to me. I will give you some examples. 1. I like pizza. 2. I don't like homework. 3. I think English is fun. All these are opinions because they tell us what someone thinks. Advice. Always use words like I think or I like to show your opinion. Okay, everyone, eyes on the screen for a second. Now we're going to learn something very easy and very important. The parts of an opinion essay. So listen carefully. An opinion essay is like a small house, and every house has 3 main parts. Let's count them together with our fingers. Number 1 is the beginning. Number 2 is the middle. Number 3 is the ending. Easy, right? Don't worry, we're going to learn each part step by step, and I promise you, by the end, writing an opinion essay will be easy and fun. Ready to start? Let's go. 1. The beginning. Or we can also call it the introduction. This is where we say what we think. It's like saying, hello, this is my opinion. We tell the reader our idea clearly, so they know what we are talking about. So, in the beginning, we say what the topic is and what we think. We also use words like I think or I believe. Examples. 1. I think homework is good. 2. I believe school is important. 3. I think reading books is fun. See? Very easy. Here's my advice to you. Say your opinion clearly in the first sentence. After explaining the beginning, let's move to the second part, which is the middle or the body. This is the biggest part. In the middle or the body. We explain why we think that way. We also give reasons. And to support these reasons, we give some examples. We also provide some ideas to support our opinion. So, in the middle, we say why we think that. We give some reasons and some examples. We use words like because and. For example, so let's have some examples to help you. Easy, right? We can say. Firstly, homework helps me learn because I practice at home. We can also say, also, school is important because teachers help us learn new things. We also may add this. Reading is fun because I learn new words. Great, you're doing amazing. Here's my advice to you, my lovely students. Always explain your opinion using because to support your ideas. Now, let's move to the final part, the ending, or the conclusion. This is how we finish our essay nicely. We remind the reader of our opinion one more time and say goodbye politely. It's like closing the door and waving. In the conclusion, we use some words like in conclusion or I still think. And to make it much easier, let's have some examples. You can say, in conclusion, I think homework is important. Or, in conclusion, I believe school helps me succeed. Also, I still think reading books is fun. And that's the end. Here is my advice. Do not add new ideas in the ending. Just repeat your opinion. Little mistakes to avoid. Be careful, my smart students. Don't forget to write your opinion. Don't forget to say because. And Don't stop after one sentence. Remember, always explain your idea. Good writing needs more than one sentence. Fun writing time. Now it's your turn. Question: do you like school? To answer this question, try to write, I think. And because. Example ideas. I think school is fun because I learn new things. Here's another one. I think school is good because I see my friends. Another example is, I like school because my teacher helps me. I hope you got the point. You can do it. I believe in you. Advice: take your time and do your best. Mistakes help us learn. Before we go, listen carefully, my smart writers. In our next video, we are going to talk about a very yummy but tricky topic. It is junk food. Yes, yes, burgers, pizza, chips. Don't smile too much. But here's your mission. I want you to write an opinion essay about junk food all by yourself. Ask yourself, do you think junk food is good or bad? Why do you think so? Can you give examples? Don't worry about being perfect, just try. Then when our next video comes, compare your essay with the one we will share and see how amazing you are. Who knows, you might say, wow, my essay is even better. So grab your pencil, wake up your brain, and start writing about junk food today. And remember, great writers don't wait, they write. You did a fantastic job today. Thank you so much, my lovely learners. If you like this lesson, like the video, write your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to learn more together. See you next time, my lovely students. Bye-bye.